Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Chase of Rocky Mountain. Thank you for checking in. So today we have the UTV folding glass windshield from Tusk for the 2018 to 2021 Can-Am Maverick Trail and the Maverick Sport. This to us is our favorite full windshield, and the reason that we say is because of the versatility. You know, we all know why you have a windshield. You want to block the cold wind, you want to block Mother Nature, but there's also going to be times when you do want that airflow coming into the cab. And what's great about this windshield is, just like the name says, if you find yourself in a situation where you don't want it up, instead of having to completely remove the windshield, it just folds down onto the hood, onto these brackets, completely out of your way, and it's there securely. And then when you do want the windshield up, simple, just fold it back up, tighten the fastening knobs, you're good to go. So we just love the versatility that you get with this. But what's nice is that even when you have the windshield in the up position, we have a vent that's built in the bottom. And looking at it, you might not think that you'll get that much airflow coming through, but it's pretty impressive how much air does come through this vent when you do have it in the up position. Now, the frame of this windshield is made from powder-coated steel, and the windshield itself, the glass, is the same safety laminated auto glass you'd have on your car or truck windshield, so the clarity and the durability is excellent. It's also nice, too, that this glass does have a slight tint to it, so when you are in bright sunlight, it's just going to offer a little bit of relief for the passenger and the driver's eyes. You will have a 12-inch wiper blade that will come included that you operate manually. And like I said, if you find yourself in a situation where you don't want this up, well, you just have these two fastening knobs up on top. You're just going to loosen those, remove them, fold it down onto these brackets that mount, or the one bracket that mounts right here to the down tube of your machine. Tighten those fastening knobs back up, and you're good. And also what I do like is that even when the windshield is in the down position, it's very sturdy. You can still drive aggressive. You don't have to worry about that. Now, last couple things to note as far as the mounting goes. So all the mounting hardware will come included. It's just going to mount right to the factory roll cage. You don't have to do any sort of modification to get this mounted up. And it will fit with the Tusk Force aluminum roof that you can see that we have here right now. It also will work with the Can-Am OEM roof as well. Now, another cool little feature is when you look at this mounting bracket that it folds onto, is we also include these light bar mounting brackets. So these are built to incorporate the Tusk 12-inch light bar. So if you want to get a cool light bar setup, those will come included as well. Now, last thing I do want to point out, something that I noticed about this windshield that I like is, one, when it's in the up position, I like how large the glass is. It really doesn't take away any of your vision when you're sitting down inside the machine. So you get awesome field of view with this. And also, too, when it's folded down onto this bracket, it's completely out of your view, out of your sight. It's not going to affect you whatsoever. So again, this is a premium full glass windshield. We love the part that it does fold down completely out of the way. There is another windshield from Tusk, a full glass windshield that does not fold down, but the price point on that is a little bit lower. So if you want a full glass windshield, but maybe not pay the premium price, you could also check out that one. And like I said, there's some other great accessories on here from Tusk. We've got that forced aluminum roof, the light bar and the brackets. You've got to check out the Tusk soft upper doors. If you want to enclose your cab and get as much comfort as possible, especially in the wintertime. Right now outside, it's less than 40 degrees. But when you have this setup that we have with these soft upper doors, the rear polycarbonate window with the roof and the windshield, you can drive in really cold temperatures and stay comfortable the entire time. So if you have questions or comments about anything that we talked about, we'd love to get those answers. So make sure, leave those down below. To grab yours, it is simple. Just click on the link or head over to RockyMountainATVMC.com. Just enter the year, make, and model on the product page, and that will ensure that you do get the proper fitment. And if you enter your machine's info on our homepage, you will see everything, including everything that I just talked about today, that will fit your side-by-side. If you want to stay up to date on videos like this, get subscribed, hit that notification bell. I am Chase, and we'll see you on the trails.